In today's tutorial, we will explore two methods to convert your PDF files into engaging Google Slides presentations. Whether you're sharing reports, educational materials, or visual content, these techniques will make your content accessible and dynamic. Let's dive in. Method 1. Convert PDF to image and insert. Use Adobe Acrobat online services or other tools to convert your PDF to JPG images. Upload the converted images to Google Slides, create a new presentation, select Insert Image, upload from computer, locate and add the image files to your slides. Method 2. Convert PDF to PowerPoint first. If you prefer a faster method, convert your PDF document into a PowerPoint presentation, PPTX. Download the PPTX file, import the PowerPoint into Google Slides, create a new presentation, click File, Import Slides, upload the PPTX file and choose specific slides to import, adjust formatting as needed, test your presentation, play your Google Slides presentation to ensure smooth transitions and proper formatting. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips.